In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate a speed camera on Waze. To get started, open Waze. You can do this in your browser or through the Waze platform shown on your screen. Once you're inside, take a moment to make sure the map has fully loaded so it's easier to navigate and search accurately. After that, look over to the right-hand side of the screen and click the pencil icon. This opens the editing tools, which is where you can inspect map details more closely. If you don't immediately see the options you need, give the panel a second to load before moving on. Next, go to the search bar and type the location where you want to locate the speed camera. Be as specific as possible when entering the area, especially if the location name is common or if there are multiple similar places. This helps Waze take you directly to the correct section of the map. Once the map shows the location, move your cursor over the area you want to inspect. Then click on the road segment where you want to check for a speed camera. Make sure you select the correct segment, because the details shown will depend on the exact part of the road you click. If needed, you can zoom in a little for better accuracy before selecting it. After selecting the segment, direct your attention to the panel on the left-hand side. This panel displays information related to the road segment you clicked on. From here, scroll down through the available details until you find the speed limit section. In that section, you should be able to see a speed camera icon if one is associated with that road segment. This is the key visual indicator you're looking for. If the icon appears there, it means the segment has speed camera related information connected to it. If you don't see the icon right away, double check that you selected the correct road segment and that you've scrolled far enough in the left panel. Sometimes a nearby segment may have different information, so clicking another section of the road can help if needed. And that's how to locate a speed camera on Waze. As a quick tip, zooming in before selecting a road can make it much easier to inspect the exact segment you want, especially in busy areas with multiple overlapping roads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.